Here I have CAT S41 and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. So afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up, and let's hold down together this combination of keys for a couple of seconds. Let me show you. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as CAT logo pops up on the screen. And now let's wait a couple of seconds until the Android recovery mode pops up. So this is the Android system recovery. Here you can read a couple of information about the software, and you can use here volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm options. Here you can reboot to bootloader, you can apply update from the ADB, you may apply update from the SD card, you can wipe data factory reset to accomplish the hard reset operation, you may wipe cache partition, backup user data, restore user data, root integrity check, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, and accomplish a couple of more interesting features. You can also quit this mode by choosing power off, the last options, or the first one, so the reboot system. Now, in my case, let me choose reboot. Let's highlight this option and press power key to choose it. Right now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, now you can unlock the device and start using your device in a normal mode. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.